You want to make sure to stick around right after this virtual tour. I am going to take you to the office so we can build this same floor plan from the ground up. So you can get an idea of the structural upgrades that they have available and what you could potentially pay for after you add those upgrades. So you want to make sure to stick around at the end of the video after this walk tour so we can do the build process together. I'm gonna select different styles of elevation, different structural upgrades, and what your monthly payment would look like with the current incentives that they have going on here. I am standing outside Highland Homes, newest model here in Sandbrock Ranch in Aubrey, Texas. This is the new phase that they are developing here in this very sought after community of Sandbrock Ranch. This is the McLaren floor plan, which has become one of the most popular floor plans here for Highland Homes. Now this new phase here of Sandbrock Ranch is selling quickly. A lot of the lots are already sold. Some homes are already being constructed. I see some right now that are already in the framing stage. So this is gonna be a quick turnaround for Highland Home here in this new phase. So guys, we're gonna check out the newest model home here. We're gonna take you into this beautiful tour. But before we do so, do us a favor, hit the like button, subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all of our content that we post each and every week. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Gus, and both me and my lovely wife Karla, we are full-time real estate agents here in the North Dallas area. So if you're looking to relocate or wanting to upgrade from your current house, we would love to connect with you and answer any questions that you may have about Sandbrock Ranch in particular, or any other neighborhood community here in the North Dallas area. We focus and specialize in this whole North Dallas area: Frisco, McKinney, Prosper, Salina, Aubrey, Little Elm. So if you have any questions about this whole area, what it means to live here, hey, we would love to hear from you. Give us a call. You can text us as well. If you prefer, go in the description of this video as well so you can get our emails and download free resources for you, especially if you're relocating from out of state. We have great information for you if you're not familiar with this North Dallas area. right, now that you have seen the inside of this brand new model home from Highland Home, we're gonna take you inside of the office, okay? So we can go over the details, the specs of the home, and add some of the structural upgrades that you probably saw throughout the home tour. Okay guys, now we have seen the floor plan, okay, in person or, you know, in video. You've walked the floor plan with me. Let's look at the options that we have, structural upgrades that we can add to this floor plan. Now, Highland Homes has this cool tool that we can use here on their website. Here I am, if you can see on the screen here, I am in a Highland Homes website and I am looking at the McLaren floor plan here in Sandbrock Ranch. As you can see here, the starting price for this floor plan is $510,000. $510,990 to be exact. Here you can see the information. Now, as we go through these options, guys, just keep in mind that they're not going to show us line by line all the prices that they're going to give you for these upgrades that you're going to add. So it's going to give you like a summarized overall price after you add these upgrades, right? So, but if you guys do this on your own, you're on their website and you follow these steps that I'm going to show you. Now, this is Highland Homes website, okay? But you can actually save a PDF format of this, okay? And you can send it to us directly. You can shoot us a text or you can email us directly to us and we can get you a full disclosed list line by line and what everything that Highland Homes is charging you line by line, upgrade by upgrade, okay? And we can also go over more in specific our recommendations on what to do when it comes to getting all this priced out, okay? Also know that we can get you a better discount if you come to us, okay, versus going directly to the builder, okay? So we have great relationships with these builders. We have access to a discounted pricing as your realtors, okay? So send us over what you'll see at the end, because we're going to be able to save this as a PDF. Send that over to us. We'll review it together and we can get you will see after I talk to the builder, negotiate with them, what you're going to see on the discount. And you're going to get a better idea when, as we go through this, okay? So here we go, McLaren floor plan. Now the options, this is the base, okay? So like for example, base square footage is 2486. This may go up according to if you add specific structural upgrades. 4 to 5 bedrooms, 3 to 4 full baths, no half bath option, okay? 2-car garage, starts at $510,990, McLaren floor plan. Let's go inside and let's look at the options that you have to customize this floor plan, okay? So what I want to do is I want to click here where it says customize and price, okay? Now this is going to give you a little overview of the floor plan that you're looking at. You can go to the upstairs and see, okay? Now you can kind of play around with this here on this screen right here, okay? So if you want to add, for example, these are the structural upgrades, outdoor living. So the extended patio, you can add that. You can add sliding glass doors on the patio right here. This is very popular right now. Now we do have our thoughts on it, so you can give us a call for that to go over that. Okay, but we'll leave that on. Include that for now. Fireplace, you can add a fireplace, and you can see exactly where it's going to go on the floor plan. Bay window extension here for the master bedroom. When we go to the master bath, they have several options here, okay? So you can do a drop-in tub, for example, with the shower. This is gonna be a drop-in tub. You can do just a shower with more storage there instead of the bathtub. Not something I would recommend. You can do a freestanding tub, which is also very popular right now. And then something very, very cool that I really love is this Spa Shower Plus. It's not going to give you a tub, but it's going to add a walk-in shower, dual walk-in shower, dual heads, and it just looks very, very awesome when you add this and you start building it, adding the tile, all that great stuff, and it looks really cool. So, but the most common is probably going to be a drop-in tub. We'll do that for now. Upstairs, you have several options, okay? A couple of options here. Now you can do a bedroom, which is going to add that bedroom number 5 to the upstairs with a full bath, if that is very important to you, or you can add the entertainment room, the media room. So those are your 2 options, okay? So you can have both. So as it stands right here, if we add the media room, you will have 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, okay? Now you could add that 5th bedroom with the bath number 4. The most common one is people want to add that entertainment room. So we'll go ahead and we'll go ahead and keep that, okay? You can kind of go down, scroll down here and see the elevations. The one that you just saw right now in the motorhome is going to be, I believe, the elevation PM, which is this one right here, okay? This one's pretty cool. It looks more of a modern look to it, but you can kind of go through them and see which one you prefer. These are going to have a charge, okay? So, except for the standard one. But if you go, let's click on here where it says customize and price. All right, bear with me here as we go through this, okay? So let's get started. You're looking at Sandbrock Ranch, 45-foot lots, McLaren floor plan. Let's look at elevation. So this is going to be probably your standard elevation C. A is probably going to be standard as well, but you can kind of go through these and see which ones you like. Let's go with the one that you saw here at the model. We'll select that one, which is this one, the PM elevation. Okay, you can kind of go through these and see which ones you like most. Now this is where you can add all those upgrades that we just kind of went through. Let's add the sliding doors. Let's add the fireplace, the bay window. Again, these are all just structural upgrades. Drop-in tub upstairs. Let's add that media room, and let's get you a location. Right now you can see this is the face where I was just showing you right now. So let's pick a lot. If you ever see an extended lot or a corner lot, most likely you're going to have a premium charge on it, okay? But let's pick one that doesn't have, that most likely won't have a premium charge. Let's look at this one, for example. Good choice, okay? Boom, let's select it. Let's go into the summary, and here is where it's going to show you, okay, with all those structural upgrades only, you just went up to $561,990. So it says upgrades and add-ons, we added 42,000. All right, so this is where I was talking about, that it doesn't really give you a disclosed of everything that we added. Like, I want to see how much are they charging me for that extended patio, right? Or something else cool that you can see. So let's say typically the default that they're going to give you, that's going to show you here, is a 20% down. Okay, not everybody of course is going to have, you know, just $113,000 for a down payment. All right, so I'll just like to put here 5% down, so you can kind of see what your payment's going to look like on just P&I, okay, principal and interest, your insurance, and your taxes. You're gonna see here what your payment more or less will look like. Taxes, which is cool, it's already calculating the 2.29 tax rate here in Sandbrock. Okay, so you can kind of play around with this, you know, 15-year loan, 30-year loan, what it will look like. Okay, and this is at a 3.99 interest rate, which is what you get that first year on that promo. Let me exit out of this. Now this is what I was telling you, that you guys could save this into a PDF. Okay, downloads into a PDF, and you can send this over to us directly, so we can get better pricing, one, for you, and you can get an idea, so we can get everything disclosed as far as what you are getting charged for every single upgrade that you add. Now I am recording this, it's not allowing me to save it at the moment. You know, you can kind of do this, save it, you know, so I was able to do this earlier. You can download it as a PDF, send it over to us. Now something that's not included here is your design budget, okay? Something that I like to add to when we are building our home for our clients is add a budget there for your design center. You're talking about flooring is going to be a big item. Anything that you add to the kitchen, for example, extended cabinets, if you want to add those cool glass cabinet doors on the uppers, that's going to add. If you want to add anything electrical, that's an upgrade. Additional electrical outlets, for example, those you're going to have to pay for. If you want, you know, a dedicated outlet for a freezer, for example, in the garage, that's another upgrade. So stuff like that just adds up to your cost of the home, okay? Tile selection, okay? That's a big ticket item as well. Now, if you notice around the kitchen, cool upgrades, now we can point those out to you so you can make sure what those upgrades are, because not everything on that model home is a standard, okay? So I know I'm kind of rambling a little bit here. So there's a lot that goes into when building a home, guys. So it can get stressful sometimes, but it should be a fun process for you guys. So this is that's why we are here, is just to facilitate and just to ease the process for you guys. We've done this many times for our clients, okay? Guys, there you have it. I hope that this was helpful, that you enjoyed this video. Give us a call, reach out to us. We would love to help you out in this process, okay? Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out. We would love to answer those questions for you. And hey, let's get you into your dream home. Let's make this new construction home, your dream home, possible for you and your family. We would love to be a part of it and help you with those all those details. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.